Welcome to BSwiftArt. Today we're mixing some watercolor colors. These are Daniel Smith colors. I have today lamp black and ultramarine turquoise. So we're just experimenting, seeing what these colors will do when mixed together. So I'm going to put these aside and I'll explain my little chart here for you. I have lamp black here, ultramarine turquoise, the two colors we're using from Daniel Smith. And I have different percentages of what we're going to mix them. So I have 100% of the color, 75% and 25%, 50-50, 25 and then 75%, and another 100%. And I'll explain what all this is going to do. And then wet on wet. So we're going to use that technique to see how they mix on their own if we don't mix them together on our palette. So in this well, I have lamp black. I know a lot of people don't use black in their watercolor. I don't really either, but to mix it into a color to make another color, I think that would be a great place to put black. But when I'm doing like a pet portrait or colors like that, I use black a little bit. But a lot of times I'll replace black with purple. So I'm going to get this thinned down a little bit. I'm just using plain water, and I want to get it to like a milk consistency, like whole milk, so that when I brush it against the bottom, I can see the bottom a little bit there, and it'll fill in really quickly. And I'm going to do the same thing with the ultramarine turquoise. I'm going to add some water to it. And both of these colors are very strong colors, so I'm interested to see what happens here. If it's just going to turn all on the black side, or is this turquoise going to shine through? So we're going to mix this up to the same consistency. We're thinking whole milk. There. Get a little bit of transparency into this as it's really dark. Okay, so there's my two colors. Now I'm going to take just a little bit of my lamp black. That's this one here, nice black color. And I am going to paint just the black. And then I am going to just bring it on out to a nice gray. So my first color in these percentages are going to be black. So this is 100%. The 75% is going to be black, then down to 50%, then down to 25%. I'm just marking that color there next to my percentages. And then I'm going to take my ultramarine turquoise and do it for the second color. So the 25, the 50, then 75, then 100% right here. Spread it out a little bit so I can see what the color is. I'm just drying off, rinsed off my brush, dried it a little bit, and I'm just mopping up a little bit of this color. So I can see that pretty turquoise there. Okay, now I'm going to take my 100% turquoise, and I am going to just feather it on out to the edge, like that. So here's my darkest, and then as I feather it out, it gets lighter and lighter, so I can see the pretty colors that I can get just on its own. Got gray and turquoise at the lightest. So now I'm going to begin mixing these percentages, and let's see what happens. So we're going to do 75% black. So I'm going to get my brush pretty full, and I'm going to go 3 times and then kind of scrape it off on the side. And I'm just eyeballing this. I'm going to come get my brush full here and see if I can't get like 25% of that. It's kind of hard to see, to be this color. So that was 25% ultramarine and 75% lamp black. So let's see what we got. So here it is. And we're just going to feather it on out to the other side. Okay, look at that. So that's a very pretty dark greenish blue. Pretty for like the forest or something. Okay, so we got that mixture of 75% black, 25% ultramarine turquoise. I need to add another 25% ultramarine turquoise into this well to make it 50-50. So I am going to try my best here to kind of sop up some of this and mix it in. And I'm not sure I changed the color too much. I'm thinking I need a little bit of this, more of this turquoise, because it gets hard to sop it up when you don't have much in your little well. Okay. Let's see what we got now. So I am going to, oh, this is a blue spruce color, isn't it? Getting it pretty light. I can add a little bit of water to that. Add a little bit more here. Kind of see what that color looks like at its deepest. And then bring it on out. I put a little water in there, so it's going to make a little bit of a bloom. But there, that's beautiful. Isn't that a pretty color? Okay, so now we're going to take 25% black to 75% of our ultramarine turquoise, which I think I need a little extra in there. So let's mix up another little bit of this. Probably too much paint. Put some water in it, so I'm just making 100% turquoise here. And I am mixing it down to get that thin milk consistency, and I'm just going to put some here. So this is going to be 25% black to 75% of the ultramarine turquoise. So I'm going to get 3 nice full brushes in there. Rinse it out, go back to my pure black, get a nice good brush of that in there, maybe a little bit more, and let's see what we got. I might have put too much black in there. I do believe I did. I shouldn't have went for that, just a little bit more. Let's put a little bit more of the turquoise in there. Let's see how that goes. Okay. And it looks like it's too thick. There we go. Let's see. 25% lamp black, 75% ultramarine turquoise. Dab of water. Okay. There we have our different colors that we mixed. I think I put a little bit too much black into that. It's almost probably the opposite right there. But it's just a guesstimate. So now I'm just going to go the wet on wet. So I'm putting wet into my teardrop water, just pure water. It's got a little bit of color in it. Hopefully you can see that, but it won't matter for what we're doing. And now I'm just going to take my pure colors. Ooh, isn't that pretty? And just dab them in there. And I'll take a little bit of this black. Add that. See if we can't get some of those colors that we just mixed into this color swatches. So I cleaned off my brush. I'm just taking it and coaxing it to go to the edges. And as I'm doing that, some of these colors are mixing. And we can get some of these shades into this. And the same thing here. You could also take your card and let it do it by gravity. Mixing them around, see how it'll pool, and see those colors that are coming out. Isn't it pretty? Yeah, I like that. That's pretty. Okay, so that's lamp black and Ultramarine Turquoise. So play around with it yourself and see what you come up with. And if you have a different brand of paint, I'd be interested in seeing the difference in it. I mostly use Daniel Smith, or I use Magello Mission Gold, and I also have some Winsor Newton. So I usually use Daniel Smith, though. That's kind of my go-to. So I hope you enjoyed my video today. I hope that you are experimenting with some of these colors. Let me put some turquoise right here. There, so we know what that is. And come up with some color combinations of your own and share them with me. I have a Facebook page that's a group, a private group for painters. So if you'd like to share some of your combinations with me, I'm sure I would love it and the group would love it. It is Creative Watercolor Art Club on Facebook. Okay, well, thank you so much for joining me today. And I'm wishing you lots of peace and love until we meet again. Thank you. Bye-bye.